In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename labels in Blogger. Whether you're looking to organize your content or give your blog a fresh look, renaming labels can be an effective way to ensure your audience finds what they need quickly. So, let's jump right in and make this process as straightforward as possible. First things first, you'll want to ensure you're signed into Blogger. This might sound obvious, but it's essential to confirm you're logged in with the correct account that manages the blog you wish to update. Once you're all set and logged in, navigate to your blog's dashboard. Next, you'll need to open your blog and head over to the Posts section. This area is essentially the heart of your blogging platform, where all your posts are organized and displayed. It's crucial to focus here because this is where you'll filter or locate the posts containing the label you plan to rename. As you're looking through your posts, try to find or filter those that have the label you want to change. This might involve some scrolling or using the search feature within Blogger. If your blog isn't enormous, you'll likely spot them quite quickly. For larger blogs, be patient and use any filtering options available to make your search more efficient. Once you've identified the posts, select one or more posts that carry the label you wish to rename. This will activate a series of options in your dashboard, which brings us to our next vital step. Look for the Labels option, represented by the tag icon. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu. Here you'll perform two simple actions. First, go ahead and add your new label. Think carefully about what you want to name it, ensuring it's clear and relevant to your content theme, as this will help your readers navigate your blog better. After assigning the new label, it's time to remove the old one. This is similar to housekeeping, by removing outdated or irrelevant labels. By labels, you're tidying up your blog's organizational structure, which is both useful for you and seamless for your audience to interact with. Once both label changes are made, remember to save or update your posts. This is a crucial step as it ensures all your edits are stored and visible on your blog. Never skip this step or you might lose all the hard work you just did. Now, if there are any other posts with the old label that need changing, you'll want to repeat this process. Methodically go through each post, remove the old label, and add your new one. This might take some time if you have a lot of content, but it's important for consistency and keeping your blog well organized. And there you have it. By carefully following these steps, you'll successfully rename labels in Blogger, bringing a fresh sense of order and clarity to your blog. Thanks for following along, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful blogging tips.